Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable saving mode in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings here and search for a battery, and there will be two options about the power saving mode or the super power by default, and it says that you have get 9 hours and 1 day with 4 hours if you enable it, but you're gonna be lost some features with your phone with turning both sides. But if you want to have much more useful phone, you should try to this mode because it's optimized for the battery and the screen working. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.